mahal. How are you there? I do hope that you're okay now. Don't get always sick, mahal, because I always get sick also here also. So, I do really miss you so much, and I love you. You know that, and you know how sincere I am to what I am saying to you. Just cheer up, mahal, okay? Don't get sick and so serious things there. I know it's so hard being there, but just always be in mind that I've been always praying for you sincerely, and I do really patiently waiting for you, loving you faithfully here, and I always been imagining the things that we've been doing from the past, and soon when you go back, we'll do things together again, and I always take care of you, and when you get sick, I always be there, na. So you don't have to worry, okay? You just pray always, and to the songs that I've sung a while ago. Haha, funny. I really don't sing, but I used to para sayo just to at least in the least thing I can make you smile, and I do some effort for you, and I love you so much, mahal. I always been praying for you. You take good care always, okay? Bye bye, mahal. I love you.